Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale a well-maintained 7-bedroom, 5-bathroom home that is located in the community of Mayday, Manchester. It sits on 0.29 acres of land. This house comes complete with 2 living rooms, a welcoming kitchen and dining area, and also a spacious carport. It manages to feel peaceful while still being conveniently close to shops, nearby schools, and great transportation system. Backyard gardening is an option. This property has an out kitchen and backyard space, which is welcoming for entertaining guests or having family gatherings. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 42 million or US $272.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.